evening. As you can see, there's been a terrific atmosphere here. There is great expectation, excitement, and it has built nicely in these idyllic conditions. Conditions which are certainly playing their part in creating a glorious ambience. It's quite a struggle to get in here, points of access hard to come by, and an awful lot of people gathering to get through the gates, but regardless of that, there's a great feel here and much excitement for the game ahead. And we have in front of us this gloriously imposing arena, absolutely perfect for a game of this nature. It is a true heavyweight clash.
Well, with nothing resting on this, Peter, I'm hoping that there'll be more impetus for the players to just enjoy the game with the pressure off, try out a few different things, and we get something open and free-flowing.
So we're up and running. Jim, which player is best equipped for this game?
Well, I'm going to go for the little...
Oh, that's a foul. Free kick's been given. He's in a good position here. Played out towards the right wing. Lovely feet. Well, now here's a good battle, bicep to bicep. Now the counter. He's played him through. They're not going to make any further progress now. And it's Salah. And he cuts out the supply. Mohamed Salah. Whistle's gone, that's foul. For a moment you felt that was going somewhere, but they'll have to go again. Gallagher. Yeah, that does look a foul. Referee's given a free kick. James. Broja. Now it's Sterling. He is through. Sterling! Oh, the ball's run loose here.
Well, it seems as if he's just had a momentary lapse and slipped into tunnel vision, because he had good options around him and he failed to get his head up.
And he's in on, there's the hit! It's loose and there's a race for the ball. Broja! And the keeper passes the test.
Well, what can I say? Truly wonderful goalkeeping.
That's been cut out, well played. Keeper's got good distance on that. That's been won straight back. Gets his pass away, crosses it, great leap! And he's heaved it away. Gallagher. He's shifting through the gears here. Here's point-blank header. Another fruitless header.
Well, there's nothing wrong with the service. They've just been very wasteful in the air.
McAllister, either side yet able to find the net. Played out to the right, to McAllister. Interesting ball. It's run loose here. Oh, he's enjoyed that. He evidently loves the contest. Defenders on the back foot. Nkunku. Oh, he's found support out wide. And the whistle's gone, presumably for offside. James. Referee's given a throw. Van Dijk. Alexander-Arnold. Now it's Darwin, played out wide. And it's Thiago. And Endo. McAllister. Konate. Move forward and quickly so. And the shot's on here. Is there any support? He might not need it. Oh, he's brought him down, and it is a penalty. So a big chance now from 12 yards.
Well, I think the alternative was to stand there and do nothing while he tried to score, and obviously he's not going to allow that, Peter, is he?
This to go one up. And he's kept it out. That has drawn gasps of disbelief.
Oh, Peter, I'm not a great reader of body language, but I didn't like the way he walked up to that.
Tries to get it clear. Showing good feet. Excellent challenge there, uncompromising. Cucurella. Oh, it's a promising build-up, this. Plenty of really nice passing.
That will annoy the manager. They're making themselves too predictable here.
Gallagher. James.
Footballing with usually identified.
That's it! It's in! Just so calm under pressure, and he managed to fashion a fine finish.
Broja demonstrated great strength there. I mean, he really had to hold his man off and just create enough room for him to be able to get the shot away. And I think it's just top play.
Deadlock broken, it's 1-0.
Still a fragile lead, though. They can't afford to sit on this.
That is a great pick out.
OK, it didn't quite come off. The execution, I think, needs a retry, maybe with a better outcome.
Nkunku. James. Fiddles it through. Now who's going to be first to this? Thiago. And it's Salah.
OK, being behind at the break isn't ideal, but there's plenty of time to reply.
Chance! Oh, he did the hard part right, but fluffed the finish.
beautifully worked to take the defence out of the picture, but there'll be no rush to see the replay on this.
It's their second corner of the game. And he's there to clear it. And now a sudden chance to counter. Now it's Sterling. The message is clear, none shall pass. Back towards the middle, hoisted in. Oh, that's a key interception. He's found a way through. Broja! It's in! 2 up and threatening to pull clear. The lightness of step, the sharpness of movement, the certainty of finish.
Yeah, that's what the game is all about. Excitement and entertainment. What a lovely moment.
So that's 2 now without reply.
Well, it's been an absolutely fabulous spell for them, and they're starting to look unstoppable. There could be more on the way.
Konate. That a foul? Yes, the referee's given it. Now it's Diaz. It's a chance in the header! He's managed to get it all wrong.
It was such a clever idea to lift it into his path.
In with the challenge. Yeah, he's pulled him up for that challenge. Fofana. And the first 45 minutes are up. What have we learned from the first 45 minutes?
Look, Peter, this isn't good. Their body language is not encouraging, and the manager must have a major verbal impact, or else.
And we're off again.
Look, before they might get too carried away with thoughts of getting back into the game, they can't afford to slip up and concede another. The next goal becomes crucial.
He steps in, and that's the end of that. Gallagher. Fofana. And it's Thiago Silva. Sterling has got himself a free kick. Well, that looks like a final warning, still no card. Oh, that's delightful. Robertson, oh, he's caught him there, it's a free kick. Gallagher. Out of play for a throw. Endo. Time and again they are repelled. Sterling. Nkunku. Oh, he's not played the ball, that's a foul. Passes short and sharp. Cucurella. Gallagher. Broja! That's a fine save!
Broja really must have felt he had the measure of the keeper then, but how wrong he was.
now they can spring out of defence. Van Dijk.
Are certainly playing with an intense focus in executing their plan here.
Brilliantly cut out. Floated up and over. Now it's Mohamed Salah.
Well, the way this game is offering less possession, they'll need to have a very good conversion rate.
Just eases him off the ball. Thiago. Now it's Darwin. Nkunku. Sterling. Now here's the delivery. And it's Salah. Looking for the runner. Calmly anticipates. No question, that's a foul. Now it's Darwin. No, he wasn't going to let him past. Nkunku. James. Oh, lovely bit of skill.
Well, not the worst attempt. A little technical tweak should help the quality.
Thiago. Robertson. Diaz is wide and looking to get onto this. He's cut it out. Now it's Sterling. Cucurella. Good spot, he's seen the run. And it's Sterling. Played into space, and it's hoisted clear. Forwards and with intent. Now looking to orchestrate a counter. He's trying his best to keep it in play here. Oh, that's really good play on the right. He's driving forward. Nkunku. Sterling. Great chance! Oh, he hit that sweetly.
Roja just couldn't steer it on target. Everything else was up there.
Alexander-Arnold. That is a little undercooked. Van Dijk spots it and intercepts. Well, that's well spotted. Diaz. Diaz. A reprieve, albeit perhaps momentary. Oh, such a clever touch. Yeah, he's fouled him there. There's obvious upset over that challenge. You can see the players face to face. Let's hope this doesn't escalate. So a chance here, what can they make of it? Looking here to alter the direction of the game. fine save.
Well, I thought his starting position was good, and that helped the keeper to judge the flight of the ball and deal with it well.
And no, that is pretty much the end of that. Sterling, he's got away. That's surely a foul free kick. And that's been well dealt with. Now it's Darwin. Oh, he's bustling through here. And it's Sterling. Real chance! Oh, that is rather wayward. Alexander-Arnold, shifted upfield. Oh, that's nice. It's gone out for a throw-in. Cleared without complication. Now it's Sterling. He's left his man. He's one-on-one, surely! It's a loose... Now the finish! Yes! And the lead is 3! It is surely done! He won't get any simpler than that, but he's certainly not complaining.
Listen, he would have been advised to do that as a kid, and it's obviously etched in his mind now.
And things are starting to look awfully cosy. No, that's been intercepted. 2 minutes to be added on. Darwin. McAllister. And that's that. So we're up and running. So Jim, tell me this, who are you looking for in particular here?
Well, this fella, Christopher Nkunku, is a player with a very interesting history in that he's played as a winger, a wing-back, a central midfielder, and now he's adapted his game to being able to play through the middle. It's quite remarkable, actually, that he's made this transition, and he's made it work.
Well, that's a foul. Free kick's been given. Against the crossbar! Just off target.
Oh, maybe it was one of those moments when he just caught it too well.
James. It's Gallagher. Cucurella. Passing is crisp and sharp. Sterling, he could be in here. Alisson can pick that up. Lobbed in behind. Broja. He's got a Broja! It's run loose. Who's going to get there? Cucurella. And here's Sterling. That's a nicely weighted pass. That's going to go a long way. Cucurella crosses. Van Dijk tries to clear. Cucurella. And it's Sterling. That's been intercepted. Now that's a fine challenge. Diaz. Now it's Mohamed Salah. Interesting ball. Alexander-Arnold. And that should be the keeper's. Searching ball that into space. That's good play. He's left his man. It's loose, and there's a race, and a shot! And it's a goal!
Yeah, the touch before the finish is so often the critical part, and we've just seen an example.
I doubt very much that this was in the script. Thiago. Shifted upfield. The fullback is in acres of great lead! And he's there to clear it. Diaz. And that has been clubbed away. Takes on his marker. Goes for the header! Oh, not the best of headers.
Oh, no, that was a chance. What a chance.
Oh, that's a key interception. Oh, easy pickings there. Diaz. Great work on the overlap. Robertson, just like so many of his contemporaries, is proving very good at driving forward. Oh, well played, well played. But no, that is pretty much the end of that. And that is going out for a goal kick. James.
Well, I wouldn't quite advise they should resort to risk-taking at this stage. There's plenty of time left yet.
Now it's Mohamed Salah. Konate. No, he's not getting his way this time. Looking for options for movement. Pass is coming off in quick succession here. And here's Sterling. McAllister. Played out to the right. Just eases him off the ball. Oh, they could break here. Spread out to the left. Alisson has that under control. Diaz. That was good pressing, forced the error to put an end to it before things could get even more threatening. Good spot, he's seen the run. Now it's Darwin. The referee's awarded a free kick. Opts for safety. Sends it forward. Very nicely done. Good run, ultimately thwarted by an astute piece of defending. Crowd appreciates good football all round there. Oh, it's a promising build-up, this. Plenty of really nice passing. Tries to get it clear. And they're not going to make any further progress now. Van Dijk gets across to intercept that. And it's Salah. Nkunku. He's a sharp little ball here. Oh, super ball. He's got the shot away! Oh, the ball's run loose here. And that has put paid to that. Correa. Nkunku. Played back in. Can he put it away? Oh, that is rather wayward. James. Correa. Roja. Smoothly does it. Now it's Sterling. He's had a hit! And that's straight down the keeper's throat.
Well, that looked very much like a case of stage fright. His job is to steer clear of the keeper.
Pinches it off him. Roja! He's got away with one there.
Really got in the face of his opponent to set it up. It's great drafting.
Endo. To McAllister. Oh, strongly challenged there. There's the whistle for half-time. Steady, solid, and for now, where they want to be. Just one goal, and they have it. Good effort from both sides, but at half-time, it is 1-0.
Not the most convincing of displays. They could certainly do much better than this. They'll want to keep things simple, build up their confidence, and not rush into mistakes.
And the game has already resumed here. So, 45 minutes to turn it round. Passing is crisp and sharp, and he's searching through. Nkunku. Correa. Sterling. He is just caressing the ball. He's found... There's the hit! And the follow-up! It's in! And there's the goal they've been looking for. Alisson, some heroic goalkeeping, but even that couldn't save them this time.
Well, it still had to be finished off, so well done to the goal scorer, but the keeper should have done a lot better.
Things starting to look very comfortable.
Well, at 1-0 this contest was still nicely poised, but now that it's gone to 2, mindsets are affected a lot more. Winning...
Nunez! It's off target and by quite a way.
Well, talking about playing into your opponent's hands, that kind of thing is not going to get them back into this game.
James. It's Thiago Silva. Some resolute defending there. Well-timed, excellent interception. Threads one in. Nkunku, and it's Sterling. Some really good ball movement. Prompt interception. Mohamed Salah, gently done. It looked as though that might lead to something quite promising, but it turned out that that was not the case. It's run loose here. Sterling. Nkunku. Sterling.
Well, the way this game is offering less possession, they'll need to have a very good conversion rate.
That has been cut short. It's ruffled a few feathers, but well dealt with. And here's Mohamed Salah. Fiddles it through. Thiago Silva gets it away. That looks a foul. Yeah, referee's given it. There could be trouble here. But for now, the referee is keeping his cards in his pocket. Alexander-Arnold taking charge of the dead ball. Looking here to alter the direction of the game. That was travelling. James. Fofana. That's Thiago Silva. Nkunku. James. Gets away from his opponents. Thiago. And it's lofted through here. And into the grateful arms of the keeper. Turns back here, probably the best option. Sterling. Sterling. Sterling plays it in. Mohamed Salah. For a moment you felt that was going somewhere, but they'll have to go again. And that has left him in a heap. Thiago with the challenge, and he has given away a free kick. He's shifting through the gears here. McAllister.
Well, yet another interception and a show of anticipation to be commended.
Moved on forwards. Well, that's well spotted. Thiago Silva. Mohamed Salah gets his pass away. Oh, shooting chance! Gets good distance on it. Well, that's well seen too. McAllister. Darwin. Nunez! And the keeper passes the test.
Nunez sparked a tremendous stop there, and I think it's fair to add, he just wasn't expecting it.
Looking for the runner. He is through here. There's a sharp little ball here. And the shot! Oh, the ball's run loose here. He's gone direct here. And a play for a throw. Delicate ball, and it needs to be. It's a ball kick. He's had a fair tumble under that challenge. McAllister. Truthfully, it was hard to see any better outcome there. Robertson to Thiago. Robertson has it out wide and in space. Danger averted for now. Alexander-Arnold. Floated up and over. Oh, well played. A reprieve, albeit perhaps momentary. McAllister.
This game seems as if it's going to go beyond the rescue point, so they need a goal and fast just to raise spirits and at least give their fans something to cheer.
Well, what's he doing here? No, the referee's judged that the offence took place outside the area.
Well, it was deliberate, it was cynical, and you have to understand the frustration of being denied a clear opportunity, but it had to be done.
So the perfect chance to get one back. This certainly looks appetising, well within shooting range. He's gone for goal. That's a half-decent try.
Alexander-Arnold certainly could have and should have made more of that.
James. And it's played forward. Oh, nicely intercepted. Played into the middle. Oh, that's a fine interception. And that's a good ball. Endo to McAllister. Darwin. Robertson. Diaz.
Well, he was given the time and room initially to hold on to the ball, but eventually he was squeezed that bit harder and the task became too much. I think he's got to be a little quicker in his distribution then and get others into the match.
Thiago. Well played, that has snuffed out the danger. Time added on will be 2 minutes. McAllister fiddles it through. And that's that.